Alright, this is the same day, different project. November 3rd, Saturday, 2018. This is house number 7. Just got through changing out the door lock. And now we're going to do some blinds. First of all, let me mention, there is a rooster, beguiling, whatever you call it, a couple houses down. No way. Rooster. Seriously. So whoever moves in is not going to have a problem waking up in the morning. Rooster. Yep. Okay, so going to put some blinds in. Those 2 windows. We got one in the kitchen. We got one in this bathroom. And then one in each of the bedrooms, which all already have blinds in them, but I don't know. We started doing this a while back, put new blinds in. I don't know, I think it helps. Give a little bit of privacy. They're all nice and clean, and they're actually pretty cheap. Get them from a place called Discount Blinds, online. Discountblinds.com. Give them the measurements and they send them out. So I'm going to spend the next few, I don't know if I can finish all of this today, but I'm going to spend the next little bit taking these dudes down, the old ones, and then maybe I'll do a little bit of video of how I put them in. Not like it's really rocket surgery or anything, but alright. Alright, so I've got the old dookie blinds down. No real issues there. So what comes in this kit, you've got your blind, what's this thing called? The valance, I think. I don't know. It goes on top to cover this portion up. And then brackets and screws. These brackets couldn't be more easy. Let me open one up here. Can't remember now. Yeah. So these little doohickeys open up like that. And you just slide the blind in and then close this over the top of it like that. And you got your little screws there. I normally only run 2. So what I'll do is, if I have a pencil, I don't know if I brought my pencil or not. I'll take this bracket and run it where I want it, which is going to be, oh yeah, and this thing's also labeled. Probably can't see that, but it has an R for right. So you know it goes over here. So I'll just line it up flush with the wall and make my marks, and I will pre-drill some holes, and that will make it easy to put the blind in, or put the screws in and then put the blind in. So let me, and also I'm looking to see whether, you see there's holes up there already. Am I going to run into those holes? And I don't think I'm going to. No, but rather than using these 2, I'll use those 2. So this one and that one. So that's pretty much the way these things go up. So I'll do some marking and do some drilling. Yeah, so this is fun. Halfway stripped that one out because I had the wrong screw head. And same thing over there. So need to find something to get that in there. I think I'll go around like a, you know, like a wrench or something. I don't know. Let me find something to do that. All right, so I got that in. Found a little screwdriver. It's the same size as that. You can add adapters or whatever. Mail's running. Nobody here. It says vacant. Oh, there's another mailbox. Yeah. So got that one in. It's stripped, hard to get back out, I'm sure. This one, I went through 2 screws, so I don't know if there's something there or just the angle that I was going in. I just couldn't get it good, so I just used another hole. So we're good. Good to put the bind in, see what happens. Hey, can somebody untangle that real quick? Alright. So these, this little, I don't know what this thing's called. I don't know why I want to call it a balance. Maybe it is. Get lucky. It goes on, you know, over the top. With these guys. So basically what happens, this part right here slides into this little canal right here. And then this part clips over the blind. So I found it easier to run it in this way first, and then twist it whenever you get to where you want. And the only other thing that I've learned is whenever you're putting it, where you're replacing those plastic pieces, place them in between these things, because you won't know it, but you'll run into the mechanism back here and you won't know why it won't go on. So with this one, I'll, you know, place one there and there, just 2. So let me get that on real quick. And that completes it. I wish that it came a little above or past the blind, but I know why it doesn't, in case you have side-by-sides, but I hate that that's open, but I don't think anybody's really going to care. So that's basically it. So I'll do the rest of these, but it's as easy as that. Makes it look a lot better. These windows are horrible, horrible. But we won't be replacing those anytime soon. All right, that's it. Go Balls.